Good morning guys. In this video I will explain a simple Python program. We have one string which contains the alphabetical characters and numeric character also, it means digits. So our requirement is, suppose we have a string equal to suppose 261 and that can, and our output, we want output like Azam, Khan and 261. So we need to shift all the digit numeric value at the last of our string. So for achieving this we have to do some string manipulation which I will do. So first we need to store these two in one variable, store in variable, store it in a variable. Okay, we will store it in a variable. So first step, we need to take two variables, one for characters, one for digits. I will take dig equal to one empty, and I will take alpha, this. Then we need to loop over all the string. We need to loop over all the string. Loop. So I will take a for loop. I will take ch in string. Okay. First we need to check if ch dot is, in Python we have already some inbuilt function like i.ispace. If you want to check whether it is an empty space, i.isdigit. If you want to check whether the particular occurring character is a digit or not, you can use this function i.isalpha. If it is you want to check if alpha, it is an alphabetical characters, so you can use this function. There is much more function we should, how much you will do coding, you will get to know how many functions are there in Python. So for now we need this one and this two, is digit. So what I will, if that chi is, as soon as one by one it will iterate, whenever it will encounter some digit, we should append digits.append that occurring character here. elif ch dot is alpha, alpha. We need to append in this, so I will write alpha dot append here ch. So till now what we have did, we have segregated this and this. From here we have segregated this and this, but we need to print like this. So these are the two variables we need to join. So first I will do if I will print digit, print alpha. Okay, but what you will observe when you will print this, it will print like this, 2 6 1 something, whatever else, and when you will print this, it will print like a z or something else, because we have took here we have took a list, and in list we have each element is one element, each index we have one element. So we need to use a join method. If you are not aware of join method, join method in Python, where we have a sequence of a string, it converted in a single string. So I will use here join method, and I will first keep it in a single separate variable, this in a separate variable. I will write mydigit equal to dot join, I will write digit. Similarly, I will write for alpha, my alpha equal to dot join alpha. Now we can print like this, print my digit plus my alpha. So now it will print like 261 followed by character Azam Khan. Yeah, Azam Khan. It will be my output. But make sure if you want to print the characters first, so you can write this my alpha first and my digit first. And one more catch is here. What if we have some string like this, Azam 26121kh something. This is the string. So here we are encountering the white space also. So here we need to add one more check. If ch dot is space, you can add this check before writing this if. So I will write this also. Okay, for your is if other then if ch dot is digit. The same thing we need to append dig.append ch. Elif ch dot is alpha, then simply alpha dot append. This thing we need to do. We need to add this much code. You can replace from here to here. This code we can replace if we have one check that we have a space in our code, our string. So we will execute. Definitely we are going to execute this problem in our IDE Python. I will show you each step how this step will execute. I will try to debug. So I will take one string. I need one string. I will write some numbers. This some numbers again. Okay, and our required output is some is in can, and the rest following by number 2334535, whatever you can take your own string, and I will comment it out. Now I have to take two variables in which we will store alphabetical characters and the digits. So I will write alpha and I will write digits. Now I will loop over all the string for I in S. First I will see in last I explained that if we have empty space we need to resolve that issue also. We need not to consider that empty space. So if I not I dot is a space, so inside that if condition I will execute all the cases. If I dot is digit, I will simply append digits dot append each character. Wherever it will encounter any digits, it will store it there, append it there, and then elif I dot is alphabetical characters. I will write alpha dot append I. Till here I need to see what it's printing. Print alpha and I will print digits. Okay, let's see what's happening till here. So I will execute with command control shift and F10. So that thing I have told you in when I was explaining the code. So I took the list here, so it won't print as a string. So in order to convert this and this into string, we need a join function. In join function is used to concatenate the sequence of words into a single string. So here I will do that. I will take my digits equal to, let's take dot join method, and I will pass my digits here. Similarly for alpha, my alpha equal to dot join, and for that simply I will pass my alpha here. Alpha, yeah. Now what I have to do is I will put in an output variable my digits plus my alpha. We need to put digit first. No, sorry, alphabetical first. So I will write here. Yeah. And now I will print my output. Let's execute it. Yeah, we got the expected outputs. So hope you enjoy this video. Let's execute. Yeah, it's finally execute. Let's have some small string A23R6. It should print AR344. Yeah, successfully it's executed.